What if I told you that your spiritual awakening is not something you have to chase, force, or beg for, but something that is already waiting inside you, and crystals can help you remember it? Stay till the end, because this is not just about stones, this is about your soul waking up. Hello beautiful soul, and welcome back to the channel. If you are here, it is not by accident. Something inside you is already searching for more peace, more clarity, more connection, and yes, more truth. Today, we are talking about how to use crystals for spiritual awakening, in a real, grounded, practical way, not fantasy, not superstition, but energetic awareness that ancient cultures have trusted for thousands of years. And please remember, crystals do not give you power. They remind you of the power you already have. Did you know that people like Adele, Victoria Beckham, and even Steve Jobs were deeply into spiritual tools, meditation, and energy practices? Many celebrities use crystals not because they are trendy, but because they understand something very important. Your external world changes only when your inner frequency changes. And crystals work on frequency. They help stabilize, amplify, and balance the subtle energy field around your body, also called your aura. So let us understand first, what is spiritual awakening? It is not suddenly becoming perfect or peaceful forever. It is becoming aware. Aware of your thoughts. Aware of your emotions. Aware of patterns that no longer serve you. And aware that you are more than just your physical body. Crystals support this process in three main ways. First, they slow your mind. Many people cannot meditate because their thoughts run too fast. Crystals like amethyst, lapidolite, and moonstone calm the nervous system energetically, making it easier to sit with yourself without feeling uncomfortable. Second, they open emotional awareness. Spiritual awakening always brings emotional release. Crystals like rose quartz and rhodonite help you feel safe while processing old pain, heartbreak, and stored emotions that block your growth. Third, they strengthen intuition. Crystals like labradorite, lapis lazuli, and clear quartz help you trust your inner voice instead of always seeking validation outside. Now the most important part, how to actually use them. Method 1. Intentional holding. Take a crystal in your hand, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe slowly. With every breath, say silently, I am open to growth. I am open to truth. Do this for just 5 minutes daily, and you will slowly notice more awareness in your thoughts and reactions. Method 2. Sleep placement. Place calming crystals near your pillow, not directly under your head, but beside you. Your subconscious is very active during sleep, and crystals gently influence emotional healing while you rest. Method 3. Wearing them. Crystal bracelets or pendants work continuously on your energy field. This is especially powerful if you are sensitive to people's emotions, crowded places, or negative environments. But let me tell you something very important here. Crystals will not do the work for you. They support your willingness to grow. If you avoid your emotions, ignore your intuition, and stay in unhealthy patterns, no crystal can magically change your life. Let me share a simple story. A woman once said she bought many crystals, meditated sometimes, but still felt stuck and unhappy. When she finally became honest with herself, she realized she was using spirituality to escape her real problems, not to face them. The moment she started listening to what her emotions were teaching her, things began to shift. The crystals did not change, she did. Spiritual awakening is not about becoming someone new. It is about removing everything that is not truly you. And this is why crystals work best when combined with simple daily awareness. Ask yourself, why did I react this way? What am I afraid of right now? What does my intuition say, even if my mind disagrees? Crystals help you hear those answers more clearly. Now I want to ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt that you are meant for more than just surviving daily life? That there is something deeper calling you? Comment yes if you feel this, and tell me which crystal you are currently using or want to use. If this video helped you understand crystals in a deeper way, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is also on a spiritual journey. Your support helps this message reach more souls who are silently searching. And in the next part, I will explain which crystals are best for each stage of awakening, how to cleanse and charge them correctly, and the biggest mistakes people make that block their spiritual growth, so make sure you stay connected, because your awakening is only just beginning. Have you ever wondered why some people seem naturally aligned with their purpose, effortlessly attracting clarity and abundance? The secret often lies not in what they do, but in how they balance their energy, and yes, crystals can be a powerful tool to accelerate this process. Stay with me because the techniques I'm about to share could completely transform the way you experience your spiritual awakening. If you watched the first part, you already understand the basic ways crystals support awakening, calming the mind, opening emotional awareness, and strengthening intuition. But spiritual awakening is not a one-step journey, it is multi-layered, evolving, and deeply personal. Today, we'll explore the *** next level ***, how to consciously work with crystals to shift energy blocks, activate higher consciousness, and integrate spiritual insights into daily life. Many modern spiritual leaders and influencers openly talk about using crystals for manifestation, protection, and alignment. For example, Oprah Winfrey often incorporates rose quartz and clear quartz in her meditation and wellness practices. Will Smith has spoken about energy work and tuning into his own frequency to align with his purpose. These are not just trends, they are proof that conscious energy management has real, tangible benefits in our everyday life. Now, let's dive deeper. Here are advanced ways to use crystals for spiritual awakening. ***1. Chakra alignment ***. Each chakra represents an energetic center in your body, and crystals can help balance them. ***root chakra *** red jasper or black tourmaline for grounding and stability. ***sacral chakra *** carnelian for creativity and emotional flow. ***solar plexus chakra *** citrine to strengthen personal power and confidence. ***heart chakra *** rose quartz or green aventurine for unconditional love and compassion. ***throat chakra *** blue lace agate or aquamarine to enhance communication and truth. ***third eye chakra ** amethyst or lapis lazuli to activate intuition. ***crown chakra ** clear quartz or selenite to connect with higher consciousness. Lay the crystals on their respective chakra points while meditating for 10 to 20 minutes. Visualize energy moving freely through each point, dissolving blockages, and expanding your awareness. ***2. Crystal grids for manifestation and awakening ***. Crystal grids are intentional arrangements of stones that amplify energy toward a specific goal. Place a central crystal that represents your intention, clear quartz for clarity, amethyst for awakening, and surround it with complementary stones. Activate the grid by visualizing light and energy flowing from the center outward. This is not magic, it is focused intention amplified through energy alignment. ***3. Combining crystals with breathwork and meditation ***. Crystals are most powerful when combined with your own energetic practices. Hold a crystal while doing deep, conscious breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Focus on feeling energy shift, tension dissolve, and clarity emerge. This practice bridges your conscious mind and your subtle energy field, accelerating spiritual insights. ***4. Daily carry or pocket crystals ***. Keep small crystals like black tourmaline, hematite, or aventurine in your pocket or bag. They act as constant energetic reminders, subtly balancing your aura. Each time you touch them, pause, take a deep breath, and reconnect with your intention. Over time, this builds a habitual alignment with your higher self. Let me share a story to make this relatable. A man, overwhelmed by career stress and inner confusion, started carrying a small amethyst in his pocket. At first, he thought it was just a token, something to feel spiritual. But gradually, he noticed subtle changes, his reactions became calmer, insights came at unexpected times, and he started trusting decisions that previously felt risky. The crystal did not do the work, but it reminded him to pause, breathe, and choose awareness instead of automatic reactions. This is exactly how spiritual awakening works. It starts small, then grows into profound transformation. The most critical part of using crystals effectively is *** integration ***. Awakening is not about occasional meditation sessions, it's about bringing consciousness into your daily actions. *** morning intention setting ***. Hold your crystal for a few minutes each morning, stating what kind of energy you want to embody for the day. *** evening reflection ***. Place your crystal near your journal and reflect on where you stayed present or reactive. *** movement and dance ***. If you enjoy movement, hold a crystal during yoga or dance. Notice how energy flows differently. *** digital detox periods *** set aside times without screens, with a crystal nearby, to connect with your inner world without distraction. I have a question for you. Which of these practices resonates most with your current journey? Chakra alignment, grids, meditation, or daily carry? Comment below with your answer and the crystal you feel most drawn to right now. I genuinely want to hear your experience because each awakening is unique, and your story can inspire others on this path. If you're enjoying this journey, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who is seeking spiritual clarity. Remember, every engagement helps this message reach people who are quietly searching for answers, and your comment might be the spark someone else needs to begin their awakening.